Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you my post makeup routine and I will be using this micellar water by Ponds to remove my makeup. I'm just going to take a little bit onto the cotton pad and apply this on my eye and let's see how much makeup it removes. So this did a pretty good job. It's very important to completely remove all the excess makeup on your face. Though I am someone who does not apply too much of makeup, but still I don't like any traces of makeup to be left on my skin. So this feels quite gentle and is not at all drying up on my skin, which is something I really like about this product. Last but not the least, my lipstick also has to go now. This is a matte finish lipstick and it's come off really well. My skin feels soft and clean by now. To wash my face, I'm using this Nivea Milk Delights and I really like this face wash. I'm using Biotique Youthful Nourishing and Revitalizing Face Pack. So this product contains pista, kesar, jaifal, masoor dal and like all the Ayurvedic ingredients this one contains. And to be honest, while applying this one, I did feel kind of like burning kind of a sensation. I have applied this a few times, but due to some reason I'm not able to keep this on my skin for more than 5 to 7 minutes. So if you have really sensitive skin, I would say you can opt for some other face pack also. This says that it is not a cosmetic product and it is for therapeutic properties only, but it does itch a lot on my skin. I have a sensitive skin. I apply this a lot. It's because of the effect it has on my skin. It really brightens up my face, which is really good, but the thing, that the itching part is not really something that I like and that scares me a little bit. So in case you have very sensitive skin or dry skin or anything like that, you can totally skip this one, guys. I will not be keeping this more than 5 minutes on my face. So here you can see, as I was telling you, that this does have a good effect on one's skin. I really like the effect. That's the reason I apply it. So hydrating is equally important. I'm using the Saint Botanics Vitamin C, E and Hyaluronic Acid Night Cream. This is the way the texture looks like. I'm really sorry, due to lighting you can't see it properly, so I'm just going to apply this gently in dots on my face. I always tell you guys, do not skip hydrating your neck also at the same time, because whenever we apply any foundation or anything, we always apply it on our neck also. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and this is my regular skincare that I follow whenever I apply makeup on my face. I follow these simple steps to get glowing skin. So if you like this, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.